Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust opacity of an image on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here Open Editor. Click on that. And for adjusting the opacity of an image, first you just need to upload an image. So I'm just going to upload an image from here. And I'm just going to adjust the opacity of this image. So for adjusting the opacity of this image, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here edit. Click on that, and then here is the first option. You can see here opacity. From here you can just adjust it, and then you can see that you had been adjust the opacity of an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure you do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.